The art of wordsmithing. We have to be truthful and not misleading, but we also want to make our point. We have to get our effective marketing message across without getting into trouble. So the best way to do that I know of is replacing high-risk words such as anxiety, pain, inflammation, insomnia with lower risk words. So again, disclaimer here, everything's got to be truthful, not misleading. A company should have data to back this up. But what about if they switched out anxiety, the word anxiety for balanced state of mind, happy mood support, supporting you in these overwhelming moments? We're talking about lower risk claims now. What about instead of inflammation and pain, it's supports healthy discomfort levels, resilience, recover, relief, soothe, things like that. And what about for insomnia if we change this to I feel refreshed in the morning, sleep support, supports a healthy night's sleep, healthy slumber. Where again, we're switching out these high risk words for lower risk words. Thank you.